This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play music on your Cadillac SRX. Your SRX offers several convenient ways to enjoy your favorite tunes, whether you prefer wireless streaming or wired connections. We'll cover connecting your smartphone via Bluetooth, using the USB port for digital files, and plugging in devices with an auxiliary cable. Plus, we'll briefly touch on the classic CD player and radio options. Let's get started and make your drive more enjoyable with great sound. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is a popular way to stream music wirelessly. First, make sure Bluetooth is active on your smartphone and set to discoverable. On your Cadillac SRX's infotainment screen, navigate to the phone or audio menu. Look for an option like Pair Device or Add New Device and select it. Your SRX will then search for your phone. Once found, confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the vehicle's screen to complete the connection. You're now ready to stream audio. For a wired connection, your Cadillac SRX provides both USB and auxiliary inputs. The USB port is usually located in the center console or on the dashboard. You can plug in a USB flash drive loaded with music files or connect a compatible smartphone for digital audio playback. The auxiliary input jack, often found nearby, allows you to connect almost any audio device using a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Simply plug in and select the corresponding input on your infotainment system to enjoy your music. Sometimes, the classics are best. Your Cadillac SRX includes a traditional CD player. Simply insert an audio CD into the slot, and it should begin playing automatically. For radio, you can easily tune into your preferred AM or FM stations using the infotainment controls. Don't forget to save your favorite stations as presets for quick and easy access later. Remember to adjust the volume and sound settings to personalize your listening experience, ensuring every drive is accompanied by perfect audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.